Here's all the indicators I got set up. Looking at potentially one. Looks like another one might be potentially one or so. We'll check down inside here so we can see that one. Going back. I think it's about one. 1.5-ish. If I can get this one up here. Got the turning indicator. There's about 1.5, 2. I'm leaving it alone because this board is worn out. Everything else is that square. I'm going with it. About as good as we're going to get.